YouTube, what's up? My name is Mitch. If you guys are new to my channel and you're just here to see how to fix a channel, I like to do it on cars. I bought a tire or wheel set recently, and one of the tires kept on getting flat, so I looked at it and there was a nail in it. And it's on the shoulder. When it's on the shoulder, a lot of tire shops will not repair it. It has to be in this certain area for them to repair it. And then they usually charge you, I don't know, anywhere from like $20 to $50 to repair it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it for about $5. And if it is on part of the shoulder, I'm gonna show you guys so you can do it yourself. There's a little bit more risk, and the reason they don't want you to do it is because there's more risk of driving around with that on there and it might pop. So drive at your own warning. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where my nail is and how I'm gonna replace it for you, and very easy fix. So let's jump over to the So currently here is the Slime is the brand. This is a very popular company that sold at major box retail stores. It's $5 for the kit. It comes with a cleaner tool. It comes with a puncture tool, it comes with rubber cement, and it also comes with the rubber to seal it. You can use this pretty much on anything. The reason that I'm doing this today and not having a store do mine is because my nail is kind of on the shoulder. Not too much, but sort of on the shoulder. So I'll go ahead and show you guys where the... So here's the nail. Very visible, it's right there. This is called the shoulder right here, and this is called a shoulder. Now there's a sidewall. If you have it on the sidewall, you probably don't want to do it. But mine's just over on the shoulder. I wish it wasn't. I wish it, was here and they would just do it real quick. But unfortunately, it's right here. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do, and mine's already had this because all the air leaked out of it, but what you'd want to do is you'd want to get all the air out. So get all the air out. You can do this by putting your nail in there or putting a key in there. Now, one thing the kit does not come with is pliers, and you're gonna wanna use pliers to get in there to remove that nail and pull on it and wiggle it out. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna set you guys down and do that, but you don't have, if it doesn't come with pliers, so you'll have to have pliers to pull the nail. Okay, so you guys will be able to see, it's not a very big nail, but you'll wanna know how the nail went in, so that when you put it in, you don't go like this way, or you don't go like that way, but you go the way that it came in. So you guys can kind of see how it went in right there. And then, it wasn't very much. It's just this little bit. Too bad. So what I'm gonna do now is grab the next tool. So we remove that out. So get rid of this, discard this so you don't run over it again. So the first tool you're gonna use is this one, the one that looks like a drill or drill bit. And you're gonna wanna go in there and you're gonna wanna kind of move it and wiggle it in there. And what you're doing is you're just cleaning it out so that you can fit. And remember, pay attention to the way it went in, but the way so that you can fit that new, the plug in there. So you might want to do what I'm doing, it's actually sitting on the wheel because you don't want it to go anywhere. And then you're just going to kind of go in, see how it went all the way in, and you guys can kind of hear it right there. Plain and simple. Now that you can get the in and out like that pretty quick, there'll be ability for you to put in the plug. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually get some of the glue out, and we're going to get, it comes with quite a few sets of these plugs, but we're going to get one of these plugs now. Let me go ahead and show you actually all the difference. So they have long ones and then little ones. These ones seem thicker and then these ones seem smaller. I'm gonna do one of the smaller, longer ones. All right, the next thing you wanna do is take the rubber thing and slide it through. It's tar, it's like rubber tar. It's really sticky and tacky as itself. And you're just gonna wanna wiggle it through the needle. This is the next tool that you're gonna be using. Now, once you have it on there, right in the middle, about 50-50, I think that's good. You're gonna open up the rubber cement by Slime, the company Slime, and then you can just use the tool that they gave you to poke a hole. So poke a hole from the poking tool, and then the slime the rubber cement should just come out. And you don't have to do the whole thing. Just do this middle part where it's the part that's actually gonna go into the tire. So we'll just do this. Put quite a bit on there. The reason I want quite a bit is because I don't want another flat tire. Okay, so here's the hole, the puncture. Here's the plug. I actually put a little bit of the rubber cement on the tire, and now we're just going to shove this in there. And the whole thing should go in with it. There we go. Quite a bit of force, as you guys just saw. Quite a bit of force. Now, what I've seen is that now that we have those things in, I'm gonna go pretty far in. It should, and it's becoming like this sticky gooey. It really is becoming sticky gooey. You should be able to just pull out. Just like that. Cool. Not hard at all. So that's in there. Now what I've seen is people just take a razor blade. I'm gonna actually set this by my heat lamp that I have because it's cold out, and let it sit there for about 20 minutes. Then I'll go and attempt to add air to see if it holds air. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna cut that off. All right, then the last thing you wanna do, again, you guys can see we had the heat on it for a while, is you're just gonna wanna top it off with air to make sure that it holds air. So let's go ahead and put air in here. Alright, and as you guys can see right here, it's holding air. I'm not hearing anything, so I think we're good to go. So I'm really happy with that. It's sitting at about like 36 PSI, so easy fix, easy. Alright, so just like that, completed. I love it. I think it's really easy. It's working, it's holding. If you go to a tire shop and they won't do it for you and you want to do it yourself, this is a great one. I like to rate things, so I'm going to say 5 out of 5. If you like this content and you like my channel, I got a lot of cool cars, so make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. And then the last thing you want to do is make sure to put the tire pressure cap back on, tire stem back on, and you're good to go. So simple, really quick video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.